Hi everyone, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 104. Use number lines to compare fractions. So let's look at our first example. It says, which is greater, 1/3 or 2/4? So 1/3 is over here, 2/4 is over here at this line. And as you can see on the number line, 2/4 is greater than 1/3. So 2/4 is greater than 1/3. Over here, the next one says, which is less, 2/3 or 3/4? So let's look at 2/3. 2/3 over here and 3/4 is over here, and you want to find which one is less. So 2/3 is less than 3/4. 2/3 is less than 3/4. Let's look at number 10. Which is greater, 3/5 or 5/6? Let's circle 3/5. 3/5 is right over here. And 5/6 is right over here. So we know that 5/6 is greater than 3/5 or 3/5. And that's over here. Which one is less? Let's circle our fractions first. 2/5. 2/5 is over here in red. Or 3/6. 3/6 is over here. So we know that 2/5 is less than 3/6. Let's write that in. 2/5 is less than 3/6. Let's move on to the next page, 105. Now it says compare. You want to choose the greater than or less than, and you want to use 1/2 as a benchmark. So here are the fractions that are less than 1/2. Here are the fractions that are greater than 1/2. All right. So it's easy to use that 1/2 benchmark to find out which is smaller or bigger. Let's look at our first one, 4/6 and 1/2. So 4/6 is over here. So that means it is greater than 1/2. So we need to draw the sign that has the Pac-Man eating 4/6. All right. Number 2, 1/8. So let's look at 1/8. Well, 1/8 is over here. And that's less than 1/2. So we want the less sign. So that means, which is bigger, 4/6 or 1/8? Well, we know 4/6 is over here. 1/8 is over here, so 4/6 is greater than 1/8. So 4/6 is greater than 1/8. All right, and that's page 105.